everything here and sew straps and quarters together. Hit with the hammer. Usually, right now you should sew here, and then attach this our final element of the upper, and then only then you can sew this final element to the upper. But I will show you one trick where you will know how to sew entire pieces together. So let's start to sew. The seam allowance here is 1 mm, 1.5 millimeters. And this is the second part of the bump. The assembly of shoe uppers and linings involves 3 primary steps: edge skiving, parts assembling, and sewing. The sequence of these steps changes across different shoe types. That never assemble uppers from one of the edges, from this edge or from this edge. Okay, by the same reason we will skive also the back of our moccasin to reduce thickness of this. For example, in Oxford shoes, we first assemble and sew all upper parts, then we sew all the lining parts, and then join the upper with the lining in the final seam. But in making our derby shoe course, we first sew the vamp parts of the upper and lining together, sew apart the quarters upper and lining together, and finally we join the vamp and quarters in the last seam. On the inner side of lining, we need to make the edge thinner, so skive, and the distance of the skiving is about... I have created in-depth articles and tutorials for you to learn. Check the link in the description. Second part of your upper, center line of your upper in the back part. Attach it from both sides. Here you have the lining allowance of